Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move contacts from SIM to your Poco phone. If you have any contacts saved on your SIM and you wanna save it locally or in your Google account, then go to Contacts, then go to Organize, scroll down and find Manage SIM, and then select which SIM to import the contacts from. Then click on OK. And here you have all of the contacts that are saved on this SIM, so I'm gonna just select this one, then click on import. You can also change where to save it to either Google Contacts or your device. I'm gonna save it on my device. I'm gonna just select this one, click on import. Then you can delete the copies from SIM or keep them there, so I'm gonna delete. And now that the contact is imported, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.